Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm in process of moving in the new place. It's super exciting and that gives me opportunity for another unboxing video. And as you saw in the title of the video, I'll be unboxing this Harbor Freight US General 44-inch 13 drawer toolbox. You can see I own already one of them and I had a good experience with it, so I didn't really hesitate and bought another one. When I picked it up from the Harbor Freight, I was basically transporting it on its side in the bed of this truck. So when it still was on the side, I actually removed that bottom part of the packaging, and right now it's nicely moving on its own wheel. So hopefully I will be able to just lift this box and get it all out. So far so good. Before I forget, I couldn't find any information about the weight of the box. Here you got it. Let's continue getting rid of all this stuff. I should be able to remove this plastic wrapper without any problems, right? Alright, that's a good protection. Definitely. Almost every other toolbox, two wheels which swivel, right? They turn around, and two which are fixed. So these ones are turning, these ones are fixed. And finally, let's go look in close detail. This really looks brand new, perfect. It's a really nice mat, right? It's not glued to it, you can remove it. And I'm assuming here are our keys, because that whole toolbox is lockable. But it's a little bit disappointing that the workers in the factory cannot even cut this material straight. If you follow the edge, you will actually see that the brand new one I just bought, they cut the mat this way, right? I show you the other one, which is right here. This is perfect. This is the old one. See, the grooves are perfectly following the cut. This one, it's just all crooked and it's not cut correctly and it has this weird ending. It's actually locked, and it makes sense. For transportation, it's locked and I will have to use one of the keys and unlock it. Alright, so let's see, is it these ones? Okay, something moved. Here you go. It's moving. One of the great features is these toolboxes come with the liner. Normally with another makers you have to pay extra money. Also in that top drawer, what you are looking at are like pieces of the plastic and piece of paper, and that's meant to be installed in these grooves right here, and you can put your writing and you can see or write down what is in each individual drawer. Show you really the drawers. What is really good, you can put a lot of weight in them, and those exact numbers you can see on their webpage. What I like, what is important, is that they will lock in the back. So you heard that click, means even if you will move this toolbox a little bit around, these drawers will be not popping open. And the same it is with all of them, right? You heard that? It's locked there. And here you can see how the drawers are deep, right? This is all the same. except the ones which are on the bottom. So this is deep one, and I believe there is the handle, side handle here, and this is the other bottom, which is way deeper than all the others. Again, you heard it pop, and it's nicely locked. I didn't show you the handle, right? That's still, I owe you that from the unboxing. Obviously it comes with the manual, right? So let's see, owner's manual and safety instructions. Here you can see how to attach the handle. The wheels were already attached. And here you can see what was in that box. There was this handle, right? These attachment screws, which is fantastic. There was also this bag with these plastic pieces, which I didn't see before. What is cool about this handle, depending how you use your toolboxes, it can be installed on either of the sides. So this is great, and if I want to put them side by side, I can choose on which side to put the handle or not put it at all. I read this whole manual, and I didn't find what these pieces are for, but maybe. I don't remember getting it with the previous toolbox, but maybe these are the plastic pieces which will be actually holding this stuff inside. I took one out, and this is how it fits there, so I'm assuming this is its purpose. And obviously that could be only unboxing video, but because I own that one for approximately 3 years, I will even share my experience with it. Number one, I really think it has a good price, and it's a good value for what you pay for it. If you wait for the coupon, I believe you can buy it for $3.49 plus tax. Number two, I believe it's pretty robust the way it's made, and also you can hang extra additional parts or the additional toolboxes which can be attached. Number three, it's the biggest toolbox which a person can move around by themselves without having help of the forklift. So I know if I want to move it to another place, I can, believe it or not, by myself, load it in my pickup truck and take it away. I don't have to be in industrial area which has access to the forklift. And I will say all over it's a good quality. The wheels, right, the casters are definitely heavy duty. There's no question about it. But maybe something what will make it perfect will be if it has the lockable sliders, the drawers. That will be absolutely awesome, despite the fact they click. It will be nice to have that locking mechanism, which basically you grab the handle or move something underneath it with your finger, and it's really locked inside of the body of the toolbox. And here you can see them nicely sitting side by side. Pretty good, don't you think? Well, my friend, I really hope you enjoy this little unboxing / review video, and please be subscribed because I have way more videos about the cars coming your way soon on this channel. Thanks for watching today, and have a wonderful day.